Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the account details that always block access. First, make sure your account age, email, and phone are verified in Settings. Unverified accounts trigger restrictions. Once done, check account restrictions and any parent-managed controls and disable them if you have permission. If you are the developer, open the Experience page and copy the place ID now. You will need it when adjusting permissions and when contacting support later. Next, adjust the game-level controls that cause the restriction. You should set Experience Privacy to Public and confirm the age rating matches your intended audience. Roblox enforces stricter locks for mature tags. Then inspect group roles, game access settings, and any developer team permissions in the developer console. Revoke any accidental deny rules. After making changes, publish the game and record the publish timestamp, so you can show when changes were applied if you need to escalate. Finally, verify the fix by testing access from a fresh browser session, clearing cache, or using incognito. Also try another account to isolate the problem. Make sure to allow 24 to 48 hours for Roblox permissions to propagate. If the game remains restricted, gather evidence, place ID, publish timestamps, console logs, and screenshots, and contact Roblox support or your parent/guardian for supervised accounts. One troubleshooting tip: if support asks for verification, include the exact place, ID, and publishing time to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.